Hello and welcome to Get Creative at Home. I am Cory, and today we are going to try and do some abstract painting. So I'm not an expert at abstract painting, but it's fun to experiment with different things, and today we're going to do just that. So if you have some of the materials you'll need, so if you have a canvas board like this, or a regular canvas, or even just some good wet media paper, that would be good. So we'll use that. You'll also need, I have some painter's tape, a variety of acrylic paint, and for some fun I have some bubble wrap and sponge brush and a toothbrush. And also just for purposes of this video, to speed things along, I have a hot air gun to help dry, so that we can experiment with a couple different things. So I already went ahead and painted my canvas black. That's going to be my background color, and I'm going to take my painter's tape and I'm going to place it on the canvas. I'm going to create some cool shapes up there, and then we're going to use it to paint some stuff inside of the canvas. Let's see. And just make sure your tape is all the way attached to the canvas. Alright, and I'm going to go ahead, grab my brush, and I'm going to put a little bit of, I'm going to switch that out. I'm going to put a little bit of color up here. Start with some pink. And just remove the blue. Now, if you do like me and put down a really dark color as your background, you may have to go back over with some of the lighter colors, a couple layers. Right, and I did get a little over the line, so I'm gonna go back over here and touch up on that black spot real quick. And then we're gonna use our hot air gun, which is very exciting. Very cool. Right, so looks pretty dry, so I think we are good to try and take our tape off. So let's see how it came out. Alright, there we go. We got our cool little triangle going on. Right, so now I'm gonna set that over here. There's some other like little techniques we can try. So like I said, what do I got? We got toothbrush. So if you have a little bit of paint, you can like put it on your toothbrush and flick it up there. Gonna just pop it up there like some toothpaste. Okay, and then the flicking. Okay, cool. Yeah, so we got some cool little specks of silver up there. That's nice. Okay, and let's try out this bubble wrap. So, what would be a good color? Good color. Maybe some more. Let's do some more pink. Okay, gonna put a little bit up here. Gonna spread it out a bit up there. Right, and then we're just gonna lightly press it up on the page. Okay, let's do up here. Yeah, cool, cool. So, what else we got? We got our sponge brush. So let's mix a little green up there. Actually, before we do that, let's try our hot air gun and dry this off a little. Alright, and let's try some more tape actually. Let's do one long line right here. Right, and now we're going to try our sponge brush, and let's try it with a couple different. Oh no, there's no green in there. Well, luckily, I came prepared with multiple shades of green. Okay. cool. And back to Mr. Hot Air Gun. All right, cool. Let's pull off our tape and see what we got. Okay, there we go. Alright, cool. So, what else we got? So, like I said, you can like flick it. You can like use different materials, like press paint up there. You can even just go a little crazy and pour some paint up there. Why not? You're painting. Do what you want to do. So yeah, cool. Yeah, cool. All right, yeah, so I'm liking this. This is nice and colorful and abstract. Makes me happy looking at it. And I guess that's the goal, so have some fun. So yeah, so if you want to try some abstract painting of your own and you want to share it with us, you can tag us at #7publiclibrary and show us what you do, because I'm very excited to see how you guys, what sort of stuff you guys come up with. So yeah, so have a good one.